I'm gonna say a little something, okay?
Do you want me to go over or I'm gonna stay on the side of him?
Wherever you feel comfortable. Maybe on the side might be easier for you.
Yeah, alright, cool.
So today, I'm gonna show you some basic skills that's gonna get you to pop up into the air. Okay, so obviously we're not going to jump right into the terrain park at first. What I suggest is finding a flat area to practice these next few lessons we're going to go over, okay? I think this spot will do decent. We're out of the way, relatively flat, okay? I got my old teach board here today, the Never Summer Proto HD, super flexible, which is going to come in super handy here in a moment. But yeah, we'll do is put your board on down. You're gonna strap in both feet. All right, before we strap in our both feet to the board, we're gonna do a little exercise without the board on, okay? The two things we're gonna be working on is the nose press and the tail press, okay? So we're just gonna practice those movements without the snowboard on first, just to get used to the feeling. So real basic, real simple here. Pop this up a little bit. Okay, so my right leg is my rear leg. It's gonna be at the tail of the board. So I'm gonna put more weight on my back leg, foot, okay? Almost kind of like I'm just sitting back here, okay? As I'm doing that, I'm gonna raise up my front foot, my left foot, okay? Real simple, real basic. This is what the tail press is gonna look like without the board on. And just vice versa. Now for the nose press, I'm gonna put my weight up on my front leg, okay? Flex that front knee a bit, bringing back the rear foot, which is my right, okay? Nose press, tail press, nose, tail. All right, now let's strap in both feet. Okay, so not the flattest surface, but we can still make this work. The flatter the surface you're on, the easier it's gonna be to practice these, okay? So, we'll start with the tail press. We're strapped in with both feet. And just like before, okay? I'm just gonna lean back, sitting back on this back leg, bringing up the nose of the board, okay? What? This is the tail press, all right? This board's super flexible. If you get a rental, it might not be this flexible. Just know that it might not be this easy. All right, and let's flash forward to the nose press. Woo! All right, flex that front leg. Okay, weight up here, bringing up the rear of the board, like so. Okay. All right, nose press, tail press. All right, so practice those. When you feel pretty good, what we're gonna try to do next is actually do the tail press and nose press as we're going down the mountain, okay? So let's give that a shot, and then we'll come back to the next few steps. Okay, so practice those tail presses, nose presses till you feel really good with them. And then we'll jump into something called the Ollie and Nollie, okay? We're gonna do that first step where we flex the board, whether we're leaning back or forward. But then we're gonna add a little jump or pop to it, okay? So we'll start off with the Ollie first, okay? That's where we're gonna lean back and then give it a jump, okay? All right, so we're leaning back, slide. We're leaning back here, okay, and then we're gonna add a jump. coming down with 2 feet at the same time. All right, this is not an ollie. All right, this is not Nollie. Okay, you really want to focus on trying to coming down with 2 feet at the same time.
Down with 2 feet at the same time.
Let's try it again. Okay, it doesn't have to be super big. Letting that board spring you up. Okay, let's practice a few of those. Pretty basic. And the other one is going to be the Nollie.
Nollie.
Okay, just the opposite again. We're going to flex the board forward and add a little pop jump. Okay, let me get up here a little bit. Really slide. Okay, add a little flex. Okay, and then we'll jump. Okay, all one motion, right? Coming down with 2 feet. All right. So practice the ollie, practice the nollie till you feel good and comfortable with it. Just like before. Once you're good and comfortable with it, then we'll try to do it moving down the slope. Okay. Okay, so now you feel good with the tail press, the nose press, the ollie and nollie as you're moving. Now what you want to try to do is, as you're going down these groom runs, you want to try to find some like natural little jumps to get used to hitting jumps, okay? Whoa! I know a few down here that's good to practice on. Just looking for little side hits, as we call it, right? Let's go find some.
Now here I'm tapping my shoulders and knees because you want to keep those aligned with your snowboard as you approach the side hit and get into the air. As you approach the side hit, be sure to take a few quick turns to check your speed and set you up straight. And keep your knees flexed for a smooth landing. Also think about keeping your snowboard level to the slope you're landing on.
All right. Thanks, Jacob, for filming. So work on those. Tail press, nose press, ollie, nollie, and then hitting those side hits. When we come back for the next lesson, we'll start jumping into the terrain park and start hitting some man-made features, okay?